This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Evelyn Thomas. Beautiful single family, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with open floor plan. Features include beautiful LPV flooring, granite kitchen countertops, stainless steel appliances, Nest digital thermostat, and so much more. Spacious primary bedroom features double sinks in the bath and generous sized walk-in closet. HOA includes lawn maintenance, internet, cable, gym, clubhouse, playgrounds, pool, and more. Great location as it is close to interstates, shopping, restaurants, Bide-A-Wee Golf Course, medical facilities, and shipyard. Don't delay, see this one today. For more information, review the details below or contact Evelyn Thomas at 757-650-2449.